Model, 2008 Citroen Relay Boxer DUCATO 35 HDI 120X long wheelbase, PEFECT van for a camper conversion easy fix. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 207,940. MOT, 27 July 2024. Engine, 2198 CCF1 CE0481D, 120 bhpa. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, runs perfect, needs injector number 2 replacing, gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, electric windows. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.